Here is a wonderful 2017 Nissan Pathfinder. This vehicle still has fewer than 80,000 miles on the clock, so it won't last long. Picture yourself at the wheel of this comfortable and capable Pathfinder. Solid, versatile, and smooth, it has all the features you need to make road trips, towing, and household projects a breeze. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: electronic stability control, trip computer, power windows, ABS, four-wheel disc brakes, power steering. Capability intersects with comfort in this well-equipped Pathfinder. See for yourself when you take it out for a test drive. Our professional staff looks forward to giving you excellent service.